Morning, everyone. Just a quick little balance this morning about releasing anything from our bodies that does not match our God-given right to health, wellness, happiness. So that's sort of what I'm sort of thinking along this lines. I was reminded by a cousin of mine who does a weekly meditation, and she was saying that one of the things they always bring it back to at the end of the meditation is to release anything that is not for our good and to breathe in all of the love and the connection and that potential happiness from around the world. The Heart Math Institute does incredible research, and one of the things that they find is that when we are vibrating with love, our energy goes out around 6 feet minimum. So our aura, our energy. But when people actually vibrate at a much higher frequency, and once again, I know I just do my little 999 as a bit of a way for me to remind myself, raise that vibration, keep that vibration high. Don't let in the negativity. In my brain, that's it's towards enlightenment, which of course I'm unlikely to make it to, but hey, we've got to have a bit of a goal. So it's sort of like that 999. That's saying, okay, guys, let's breathe it in, let's look out, let's release all the crap that is in our bodies, whether it's EMFs, whether it's nanotechnology, whether it's crap from the chemtrails, whether or not it's just the pollution, whether or not, all these big pharma, big food, big industries that are trying to save our lives. What is it in that we don't want in our body? Let's release. So that's where we're going.